stamp release. This is the September stamp release. Five new stamp sets and 2 coordinating die sets. So let's look at those first, the stamps. You have a new mini icon set, and this is Mini Icons Halloween. So if you're not familiar with the mini icon stamp sets, you will always have at least 12 little mini icons, you know, for the theme. So super cute little Halloween icons. And then you have a definition. So this one said, Halloween, where magic happens and candy comes in all kinds of flavors. So it's a little 3x3 stamp set. You have, I'm gonna hit these last. You have a new in the box stamp set. So in the box 2. This is a 5x7 stamp set. Our original in the box. Let's see, let me see it. If I can find it really quickly. I just have my back to you. Here we go. Well, it's going to look, well, it's going to be dirty because I use it a lot, but that is the original in the box. That was a 4x4 stamp set with 2 boxes. I had a lot of requests to kind of expand on that whole in the box idea. And so now you have a 5x7 stamp set, all different size boxes than the original. So in the box 2, 5x7 stamp set. I have not had a chance to use any of these stamps yet, friends, but the design team has started using them. So, not this one yet, not Halloween yet. Really, it's the next 3 that I'm about to show you that they've been using. So you can see samples of those on the website. Thank you, Denise. She is doing well. My mom is healing very well. I appreciate you asking. All right, this one, I'm so excited about this stamp set. I have to say, this is probably one of the favorites that I have designed to date. So this one is called Grateful. The whole idea behind this is to document what you're grateful for. Document gratitude, especially as we're coming upon the month of November, where sometimes people are thinking about the things they're thankful for. This is a 6x8 stamp set. Lots of different fonts, lots of different sayings, and then starting to pull in a little bit of artwork. So you'll start to see going forward, some of the stamps will have some different artwork or icons, I guess I should say, kind of blended in with them. This particular stamp set is part of what will release next month in October, the Gratitude Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. So this will be part of that project kit. It'll be included in the project kit, so kind of watch for that. Susanna, I want to say Susanna did a beautiful layout, a 12x12 scrapbook layout using this particular stamp set. I'm trying to read, anyhow, there may be 1 or 2 other examples, but you'll see them on the website. The dandelion, isn't that fun? Are the dimensions of the boxes on the package? Ooh, Mary, you know what? They are not. I will this evening go into the product on the website and I will give the dimensions of all of those boxes, okay? But that's a good idea to have it on the packaging. But we'll put it on the website, so that'll be good. All right, the other 2 stamp sets that were released this month are actually larger versions of, there's that little guy, and let me find the travel, this little guy. So several months ago, or I should say earlier this year, because they've come out at different times, released Mini Icons Travel and also Mini Icons Photography, all right? The plan all along with those guys, because we take a lot of pictures, right? And lots of us like to travel, was to offer those in a larger size. And that is what you see as the 4th and 5th stamp sets that were released this month in September. So you have Large Icons Photography. That is a 4x6 stamp set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stamps that are much larger versions of some of the stamps from the Mini Icons Photography. And you have Large Icons Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is another 4x6 stamp set with 9 of the 12. There's actually a lot on there. 9 of the 12 that are larger versions of what initially were released in the Mini Icons Travel. All right, so you will see examples of both of those used in projects on the website. Now, what's super exciting about that, looky here. Now, please do not pay attention to the packaging. There was a little miscommunication with the factory in China when we sent them the artwork. And it's just the artwork for the packaging. They took the artwork for the back of the packaging and then put it on the front of the packaging as well. So if you look at that and you're like, what the heck happened? Are those dies backwards? They're not. They're just, that's what it would look like when it's die cut. So don't pay attention to that. They work wonderfully. But that is the coordinating die set, metal die set for that travel, large icons travel. And then you have the coordinating die set for large icons photography. So my friend Amy did a wonderful video that I talked about on Monday in the email that went on Monday. It was a video, it is a video, kind of a beginner guide to using metal die cuts. And I put that on the website under a brand new page on the website called free classes. So there are 5 little free classes under that page right now on the website. And one of those is that kind of beginner's guide to cutting with metal dies. So if you are intrigued with metal dies and you're like, ooh, I want to kind of have a better feel on what I'm doing, Amy put together a wonderful video. It's about maybe 12 minutes on just kind of the beginning basics of using a manual die cut machine for your metal dies and stamps and some tips and tricks. There are 2 more videos coming out in that series. So you'll see one come out next week and then one 2 weeks from that. So stay tuned. All right, so those are the new stamp sets for September. Now, as always, these guys are offered. These 2 are offered in a bundle, so you could buy both of those together. When you buy both of those together, you save 10%. So if you're doing the stamp set and the die set together, you save 10% when you buy them in the bundle. Same thing for that guy. When you do both of those, you save them. Hold on, loved a luggage carrier. Oh yeah, that little guy, right? The little luggage cart. When you buy both of those in the bundle, you also save 10%. Now, speaking of bundle, you also have those all as a bundle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those stamp sets in a bundle. And when you buy all of them in a bundle, you also save 10%. All right. One more bundle that I just wanted to mention. This is now a mini icons, kind of a seasons/holiday stamp set bundle, because we have now rounded out the year with all of the seasons. So if we start out with winter, then love for February, then spring for March, then summer, then fall, then Halloween, and then holidays or your Christmas. So those guys all now come in a bundle. So if you missed out on getting any of your mini icons and you want to get them in a bundle, then you save when you do that in a bundle as well. All right.